Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Dancehall royalties available on all digital platforms. Make sure someone go support the EP. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, remind you know to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, we have some major situations to discuss. Vybz Kartel's attorney Isaac Buchanan has scored a major victory, while 2 JDF members are now in custody after being charged. Now, we start with the JDF. Now, viewers and subscribers, there are mounting concerns. People are wondering if the Andrew Holness-led administration is prepared to lead the country going forward, viewers and subscribers, after some of the major scandals rocking the Ministry of Security. Now, a female trainee has stepped forward and saying right on the JDF headquarters, right on the compound of our park camp, she was held against her will, viewers and subscribers, and 2 soldiers had their way with her, for better choice of words. Now, the reports are that at 8:30, viewers and subscribers, the complainant, who is a JDF trainee as I stated, and a male companion was at an abandoned building on the compound. When Grant and Moncrief, the 2 accused, entered, now it is alleged that both soldiers demanded money from the complainant and her companion. Me I wonder what one up there. Attacks a collect on the camp. Now, after sending the male companion to get the cash, it is further alleged that Grant held the female against her will, viewers and subscribers, and had his way with her as stated before. Now some are saying, viewers and subscribers, the administration focus is not on the primary concern of the citizens. Some people are saying that what is taking place, the administration seem to be paying more attention to who gets juked, as opposed to what is taking place or what is the big or major concerns with the citizens. Talk to me, let me know how you feel. Now, in other news, viewers and subscribers, attorney Isaac Buchanan, who is representing 2 of the individuals who were detained among the 37 persons who were held in a pre-dawn raid at a popular guest house in Discovery Bay recently. Now, the matter was set to be heard in court on Thursday, but the men were quickly released, viewers and subscribers. Now, the statement is they were wrongfully detained and denied the right to counsel. Now, this seems to be another case of profiling, viewers and subscribers, and Isaac Buchanan would not let it happen. Now, he said he also lodged a formal complaint with the attorneys for the office of the Commissioner of Police, alleging that he was denied access to his clients, Akil Green and Maurice Gibidon. Now, they were being held at the Tambourine Farm detention facility that was used to detain persons during the state of emergency. Now, he said, and I quote, "I emailed the attorneys for the commissioner after being told it is the practice now to detain persons for 72 hours without the right to see a lawyer at that yard." Now, I say profiling because after the story was aired, it was made to seem like everybody that was at the popular guest house, which anybody can be there, it's a guest house, that the people them that they are dial. That was the talk. Only to find out that Akil Green is a student at Teachers College, and Gibidon is employed as a director at a black factory. Now, Isaac Buchanan also stated that a practice that is now being done also is illegal. He said, no arm of the state is above constitution. It is illegal and criminal and a breach of a citizen's constitutional right to privacy to demand that you open your phone so that members of the JCF can search it. There is no law right here in the country that gives power to any arm of the state to ask an individual to give up his right to privacy in this manner. Nobody can stop up on the road and tell you to open your phone because you're suspected of such. At no point in time, if that is to be done, there is a procedure passed by legislation that they will have to follow if they wish to get your device. Now to date, 36 of the 39 persons who were held have been released. It wasn't like how the media portrayed it, like when we find this big group of people involved in certain activity. No. And if it wasn't for Vybz Kartel's attorney representing these two individuals, one, certain people would not even know that there is no reason or no law that tells you that somebody can just say open your phone to search without going to the proper channel. And you would have not known that it is no practice to hold individuals without right or without reason for 72 hours and also question them without an attorney present, which is something that we have never heard. Normally them say anything that you say, as you know, is an investigation. So it is best to answer questions with your attorney present. Isaac Buchanan now made the draconian tactics them work. As a matter of fact, recently he was involved in a situation with a member of the JCF at the court compound. Literally, I get a, you know, there's something go. While the altercation was started between two other individuals, in which Buchanan stepped into, mediate the situation, and as a result, certain things happened to him as well. And seeing the way the state is handling his biggest case to date, with Vybz Kartel refusing, trying to pervert the course of justice, viewers and subscribers, by choosing to not give up the exhibit, to make Vybz Kartel and the co-accused have to wait that much longer, while the court of the UK Privy Council is ready for the case. Just the pieces are put together for send it to them. Now, some have said from day one in this particular case, the fact that multiple individuals were held at a specific spot, and some individuals, as I said, not everybody was released. Some individuals were caught to be doing such. Everybody cannot be blamed, especially with this type of situation, because I guess those people did it for different reasons. Man forward for girl, girl forward because of man. You know what that go? A link up and celebrate and party. So in this case, people are saying maybe that is why they chose to start to release some people quick and fast. Know what I mean? I realize, alright, some people probably not definitely involved in that way. Talk to me. I know you feel. Know what I mean? Isaac definitely at work. As I tell you, them just need to free up the exhibit right now so him can get to work. Pan Vybz Kartel Privy Council case, viewers and subscribers. Now, talk to me. I know you feel. As I say, a JDF member or two JDF members have been charged with some of the worst allegations you can get as a member of the JCF or the JDF. As a security force member, no. As somebody supposed to out there serve and protect, definitely look good. Isaac Buchanan, major victory. I mean, definitely step forward. And as I say, as an attorney, as somebody will definitely go the extra mile. We notice that. I mean, definitely somebody who willing for file what is needed to be filed. Talk to who need to talk to. Email who need to email. Go to work. Like the energy. You know what I mean? As I say, as a person will deal with constitutional rights. So anytime there's a breach of that, you know how that go. You get to work right away. Anyway, Vice the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the God's representative, and I'm reminding you know if you're new to the channel, to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform, viewers and subscribers. You know the something go. The like icon there to you know, in close proximity to the share icon. Bust a like on the blog. Then bust a share on the blog. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the listening. Join the discussion, comment section on 24/7. Never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue reasoning via the comment section. What about things that take place? Some people are saying going forward, maybe the administration led by Andrew Willis should change focus to the matters that are of primary concern to the citizens overall. And just that we feel. So until the reason again, live, love, and prosper.